Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to download and install the Fandango application to your Android TV even if you do not have Google Play Store installed. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV and want to install the Fandango app and you don't have Google Play Store installed, what you can do is to use your browser. So as long as your TV has an Android operating system, this should work on your TV, except that your TV version is too old. So just go over to your search box and type in the name application, which in this case is the Fandango app. So here's it over here. Just click on it once and you're going to get results like this. So there are several options. There is Fandango at home and there is Fandango buy movies ticket. So it depends on whatever option you're looking for. So you're looking for Fandango at home, it's simple. Just click on it here and you're going to get a result like this, which you'll be able to install. Now, the reason I'm unable to install the application to my Android TV, it says here that this item isn't available in your country. That means that it is not available in my country, and that's why I cannot install it on my Android TV here. But if you live in a country like the US or if you're in the UK, 50% of my viewers are from the US. So if you're in the US, then I'm sure you'll be able to install the application with this same method because it is going to be available there. So just follow it attentively there and you're going to see how to install it without any issues. So that's how to install the application. And if for some reason that first option doesn't work for you, you can always scroll through here to see if there's any third-party sites like this in which you can install the application. And this is an example of a third-party site where you can install the same application. Just go forward to the site and go through it. Though I wouldn't guarantee the site 100%, but at times they do work. So you can install this from here without any issues. Subscribe for more important videos like this.